We just got the keys to our house, so I'm gonna give you an empty home tour. It has been a very exciting day and we just got the keys to our new home. We are so excited to share it with you. We're gonna start right in the front door. This house has a beautiful entranceway. This little area that's rounded is a rotunda. I'm hoping to put some tables and places to set keys and things, I'm thinking. This area has a nook. We have 3 bathrooms in this house, and the first of 3 bathrooms is just a single sink and your normal bathroom. It has a really nice window up above the shower so it can be opened or cracked or just left closed if that's what we choose. It also has 4 bedrooms, and we are so excited about all of the space and all of the storage in this home. We have a study. We know we are going to get many uses out of this room. Probably reading books, watching TV, who knows? There's a ceiling fan in the study. Now the bedrooms do not have ceiling fans, so that is one thing we are looking into because you gotta have a ceiling fan in a bedroom. Well, at least that's how we operate. Our laundry room. It has some built-in cabinets, which is gonna be perfect for all the soaps and extra things to stash. The second bathroom. It has double sinks, a tub and shower combo, and a really nice little linen area for towels and rags and all the extra things you need in a bathroom. This is the second bedroom. It has just a nice single closet. And the third bedroom. It also has a regular single closet. The fourth bedroom is the master. It has the third bathroom with double sinks, a walk-in shower with a window, a linen closet, and a walk-in closet. There's only one hand towel in the master bathroom. There's no other area to put a hand towel. So I wanna switch this out and put in a towel rod eventually. Because on the other side of the sink, it's the shower glass wall. Eventually, down the road, we would like to do up our closet right with some custom cabinets and do a whole custom closet. That has been a dream of mine and Jason's for many years, so we're planning on doing it with this one. The living room is just a grand room with very tall ceilings, the dining room, and our beautiful kitchen. This is the area you're gonna see the most of in my videos is the kitchen, because it seems like we hang out there quite often. I have under lighting cabinet. We're waiting on our refrigerator, but we have a stove, microwave, and dishwasher. And check this out, we got a little welcome basket. It has all of Mrs. Meyer's cleaners in there for me to clean out these cabinets. Not that anything is really dirty, but I just want to give it a good wipe down. The kitchen cabinets are rather tall. I am definitely going to need a step ladder to reach, you know, the tippity top stuff. Hopefully. We don't store too many things up there and forget about it, but then that's where the decluttering comes in, right? We have a big single sink and a very nice sized pantry. We could actually put some shelves up above here because there's a lot of room. We're really excited about this. This is a USB outlet, so you can just plug your phone right into it. Jason went online and priced that out, and those little babies are expensive. So when we seen that, we're like, well, thank you. I'm so glad we have that. And it's the perfect spot because that's exactly where I lay my phone to charge it. I'm claiming it. I'm claiming it, Jason.
That figures. That figures.
The wood floors throughout the home are laminate. I love the color. And the carpet is a light gray. I don't know how well my camera is picking it up, but the color of the house is a light gray and white. The floor has some gray going throughout. The carpet is a light gray. The tile in the kitchen is a light gray. And then the white cabinets make this house just super light and bright, and it's an open floor plan and lots of windows, lots of sunlight. This is something that I have been dreaming about for a while. We're really excited to be in a larger home. Our previous home was 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This one's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and we have 4 adults living in this home right now, and it's gonna give everybody their own space and areas to stash things or hang out. Okay, that's the house. Now we're gonna go to the garage. The garage is a 3-car garage. We are planning on putting our refrigerator and freezer here, and a lot of storage is gonna go in this area. Along with cars and Jason's motorcycle. This is gonna get filled up pretty quickly. Oh, and we have an attic entry, so that is more storage if we need it. We're hoping not to need it too much. That's why we want to store stuff down here so we don't have to haul things up and down the ladder. We have a nice porch on the back of the home. We have a gas line that runs out that we can hook our grill right to a gas line and never have to pay for propane again. That's a perk. This is our fence and our tree in the backyard, and we have a really nice side yard too. In the front of our home, we have some beautiful landscaping that is just newly put in, and we have a tree. I know this was a quicker video, but I wanted to get this out and share it with you because we are about ready to start making some changes and making this place suit our needs. So be watching for my next video because you're gonna see all the things happening and the move from beginning to end. Did you miss what's been going on in our lives? Well, here's 2 more videos to catch you up. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.